Hi there, welcome back to Truehost Academy. In today's video, we're going to show you how to access your WordPress dashboard directly from cPanel. It's a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing your website. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your cPanel account. Open your web browser and enter the URL provided by your hosting provider to access the cPanel login page. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your cPanel dashboard. Here's where you can manage all aspects of your hosting account. Look for the WordPress section. Depending on your hosting provider, it might be labeled differently, but it's often found under the Software or Applications category. Click on the WordPress Manager by Softaculous or the Softaculous Apps Installer. When you click the Softaculous Apps Installer, you'll come to this section. Click on Installations, locate the WordPress installation you want to access. Next to it, you'll see an admin button. Click this to open your WordPress dashboard directly. If you click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous, you'll be taken to the WordPress Management section. To access your WordPress dashboard, click on the Login button. However, if you do not see the WordPress installation that you need to access in the list, look for a refresh or scan button within the WordPress installations page. This option might be labeled differently depending on your Softaculous version, but it generally refreshes the list of installations to detect any new or moved WordPress sites. After scanning or refreshing, you should be able to see your WordPress installations. Click on the Auto Login button next to the appropriate installation to access the WordPress admin dashboard directly. And there you have it. You're now logged into your WordPress dashboard. From here, you can manage your posts, pages, themes, plugins, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.